News. SL. Bound. Indian cricketers go into quarantine in Mumbai. The Indian squad for the six-match white ball tour of Sri Lanka in July arrived here on Tuesday and underwent into a 2-week quarantine. The players will be tested regularly before departing for Colombo on June 28. Shikhar Dhawan has been appointed captain. Pace bowler Bhuvneshwar Kumar is vice captain of the 20-member squad. 5 bowlers have also been picked to tour. Team India S limited overs squad for the Sri Lanka series has assembled in Mumbai. Hand emoji. Good to see some new and happy faces. The squad lightly smiling face emoji tweeted. The board of control for cricket in India, BCCI, along with pictures of several cricketers who have arrived, among those whose pictures were uploaded by the BCCI, included Dhawan, Bhuvneshwar, the Pandya brothers, Hardik and Krunal, and Nitish Rana. The BCCI's senior selection committee had, on June 10, picked the squad for 3 ODIs and 3 T20I series to be played between July 13 and 25. The head coach for the tour, Rahul Dravid, too, will quarantine in Mumbai until the departure of the squad. The squad will reach Colombo on June 28, where it will undergo another 3 days of mandatory quarantine in their team hotel before being allowed to start training in a controlled fashion as per the guidelines laid out by Sri Lanka Cricket SLC. Last week, the SLC had stated in a press release that the squad would train in smaller groups between July 2 and 4. Between July 6 and 12, the entire squad will be free to train before the OD series, which begins from July 13. All the matches will be played under floodlights at the Premadasa Stadium in Colombo.